Friends, I would like to share a very valuable feedback today for one of the recent training that I've attended, and I would like to take this opportunity and provide my valuable feedback. Recently I've attended a training called Certification of ScrumMaster through a very well-known institution called Knowledgehut. The overall experience for the training, the conduct of a training was very good. The course content was very good. A trainer was very well qualified, and they have actually captured all the topics that was discussed earlier, and everything was very well planned. The venue was very good, and overall facilities provided throughout the session was very nice. So I would like to thank Knowledgehut for providing such a valuable certification course, and I would like you actually also to attend the same going forward. Thank you.